Unacademy. Let's crack it.
So, I'll start with resources and magazines as well as the online content that you'll be using. So, first of all, newspapers. So, newspapers are one of the most important things. Why? Because anything that is happening around you, you read about it. Something it evolves into something on the next day, you again read about it. So, how is this helping you? It is not only helping you stay in touch about the evolution of a particular phenomenon, but it is helping you continuously revise that particular aspect, because after evolution, the first paragraph of a particular news is always about what had happened previously. So you are continuously revising it, and in this particular revision you are keeping yourself updated and keeping yourself up to date for your particular examination, because there are going to be facts, there are going to be issues, there are going to be contexts which you will be needing to while writing mains answers, or while basically dealing with prelims objectives, or putting that giving a personalized touch to any particular answer in the personality test. So newspapers, it is very important. You have to read the newspapers, and you can refer to either one. You can refer to the Hindu or the Indian Express. If you have gone through the personality test interview, you will be wanting to refer to if you have gone through my personality test video, you will see that for personality test you can refer more newspapers, one of which has to be a local newspaper. So but for prelims and mains, either one of this is going to be sufficient for your current affairs. Now magazines. Now why do I recommend magazines? I recommend only one monthly magazine of any coaching institute, which will provide you a consolidated material for that particular month. Now why do I recommend this? Because as I have told previously, that when you are reading news, you are reading about evolution of a particular issue. But when you read it in a magazine, it will have all the points. It will have the pros, it will have the cons, it will have the issues, it will have the way forward. So it will be a consolidated whole, and that's why a magazine will help you to look at that particular issue from a holistic point of view. But newspapers will provide you one particular dimension. There may be an editor who might be looking at the pros. There may be another editor who will be looking at the cons. So this is the way you have to basically deal with these particular things. Magazines are going to help you a lot. The third thing is with respect to online resources. So in this age of infodemic, there are a lot of online resources which are available. So you have to basically make limited use and specific use of certain of these resources. And how do you do that? First of all, there are certain blogs which are provided by various coaching institutes, and if you suppose if there is limited time for you, you have only 20 to 25 minutes to go through the news for the day, then you can refer to these blogs. Now how do these blogs help? They have the most important news for the day, and you can directly go onto that particular website for reading those particular blogs of current affairs. So this can help you limit your time on one particular day, wherein you have very limited time for preparation. Now the second is with respect to All India Radio. All India Radio, especially the morning discussions, are very fruitful. You can go through them. They provide you a holistic and government standpoint on these particular aspects. So this is going to be very important for you. RSTV, a very important source, a governmental source. It will have the big picture, it will have the discussions from civil services point of view, and it will also have other programs like Desh Deshantar, the big picture, which will provide you a lot of valuable information and the practical approach which you need while facing this particular examination. Because I have mentioned in a lot of videos that your recommendations need not be utopian, they need to be practical, and these RSTV debates will help you understand what are the practical usages of the particular of a particular issue. Then this is something I also recommend, the print Cut the Clutter. This is from a journalistic point of view. It will provide you the actual facts and details about any issue that is in the news. So this will help you basically understand a particular topic on the basis of facts in the most limited amount of time. It won't give you any opinions, but it will give you the facts. So from that point of view, this is very important.
यूपीएससी सीएससी की प्रिपरेशन प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस के बिना इनकम्प्लीट है, इसलिए अनअकैडमी पे अभियान T20 जैसे डेली टेस्ट्स आपको यूपीएससी सीएससी की प्रिपरेशन को स्ट्रेंथन करने में सपोर्ट करते हैं। एडिशनली आप हर वीक अनअकैडमी कॉम्बैट देकर अप टू 100% स्कॉलरशिप भी अवेल कर सकते हैं। टेस्ट स्टार्ट करने के लिए अपने होम पेज पर स्क्रॉल करें और ट्राई अ मॉक टेस्ट पर क्लिक करें। अभियान टेस्ट को सेलेक्ट करें, टेस्ट पे टैप करें और स्टार्ट टेस्ट से स्टार्ट करें। सो करिए आज ही शुरुआत इंडिया के अनअकैडमी फ्री टेस्ट सीरीज के साथ। लेट्स क्रैक इट।